What's up guys, Scott here. So, next house project is getting our exposed wood capped off. Around every single window, we have 15 windows, and around the roof, which goes the whole way around. So this is the before video. Like up underneath the whole top and around the sides and so forth. So all the windows will be capped. Just to give a more in-depth video up close. Addition's already capped off. So up here they're gonna square it off like it is right there. So get rid of that wood that's right there, and then up here cap it with aluminum the whole way along and out front, and also up top there, the whole way up top there, and it goes over and on the other side. Alright guys, so an update for the house. So what we're having done with capping is like all this wood goes around everywhere. As you can see up underneath it, paint's peeling away and stuff, so all that's being capped off, which they put aluminum underneath it. So that goes the whole way under the whole house, everywhere. So, oh, looks like we got a bee nest up here. So, yeah, front, back, side, everywhere. So that's gonna, and of course around all of our windows will be capped off as well. So they are beginning to do our capping on our roofs. So they got to take off all the spouting to cap all the wood around the house and around all the windows and around all the doors. What's crack-a-lacking, guys? Alright, so the roofers got the front capping done. Just the front windows, so I'm going to show you guys. So this is all aluminum instead of wood. So they are completed. And also guys, it would mean a lot to me if you go subscribe to my channel, and also click the little icon here to turn on notifications. That way anytime I upload a new video, you guys get to see it. So thank you guys very much, and Enjoy the rest of the video, or check out all my other videos.